Alright, in this class I'm going to be showing you how to create a Filmora logo on CorelDraw. So the first thing I need to do is to go to my rectangular tools bar to draw my rectangular tools. Alright, you can see the way the Filmora logo is looking. So we're just going to, draw our rectangular tools over here. Then I'm going to add in some colors here. So I'm going to the color tools bar and add a color. I'm trying to mimic that kind of color, so we just go over to the color that will look very close at it. Alright, so I remove the line color. I'm going to have to duplicate this. You can use Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate this. So I'll have to resize. Right, so let me zoom in so you can see. I'll have to resize that. Right, so I'll go over and drop my tools. I'm going to drag it from the side in order to resize it. Drag it from the side to reduce it a little bit. Now I want to merge it. You know the way the app is, the Filmora logo is. I'm going to drag it to the edge. I will zoom that in so that you can see it better. I'm going to drag it to the edge to make sure that they are the same line. So it needs to be perfect. Alright. So now this box at the top is a bit shorter. I'm going to have to increase it a little bit so that it will be a little bit bigger. Now the box at the top is actually shorter than the one lying down. So the portrait box is shorter than the landscape box. So this space behind both of them, I'm going to have to reduce it. I will increase the space so that you can see, it can be seen from afar. Alright, so I'm going to draw another box. So this is the box that will house the logo. Alright, the way Filmora logo is. So the box will house the logo. I'm going to have to use my shape tools to drag it from the corner. Alright, drag it so I can get the round corners. So then what I need to do is to I'll drop my tools. I go to my color palette. I'm going to add color. And I'm going to make sure I mimic the color. Alright, now we are going to have to mix color. I'm going to have to mix different kind of color in order to get the Filmora logo background. So I'm going to look for a particular color that can match it. Alright, so you're going to hold your shift on your keyboard and click on another color to add to it. In order to add color, alright, you hold shift on your keyboard, then you can mix the color. So I'm mixing it with blue in order to get the Filmora logo, so you can see. Okay, so I'll remove the line color by right clicking on it. So the line color is gone. Alright, so see that the first thing you are seeing. Then once you right click on this particular white box, you're going to remove the line color from anything you are doing on CorelDraw. So in case you don't know how to do all that, make sure you check the tutorial videos on introduction to CorelDraw to understand how those things work. Now I'm going to have to group this together. So I group them together. Alright, so I group it together. And before grouping, I have to reduce and make the one at the top white. Alright, so I group them together, made it white. Now I have to drag, because they are not the same color. The upper one is white. Alright, so I'll reduce it so I can fit into this logo, this box environment. Now I'll right click to bring it to the front. Right click, bring it to the front. Alright, so I'm going to have to reduce it so it goes straight to the center. This video doesn't have to be more than 5 minutes. So I'm in a hurry so that to be exactly 5 minutes. Alright, now I'm going to have to write the name of the logo out, which is the name of the company, which is the Filmora. I'll write it out and then we are good to go. I'll resize it, then I write the name out, and then we are good to go. So place it at the middle. Alright, so here's the name, WordShare Filmora. So this is how to design your Filmora logo in less than 5 minutes. Alright, so if you like what I did here, make sure you are following this page. Make sure you follow this page and make sure you subscribe to my page.